First Warn 5 weather with Matt Hollander.
6:42 this morning, and temperatures are uniform across the state of Texas for the most part. Not seeing the huge difference in temperatures from North Texas to South Texas like we did yesterday. 66 in Oklahoma City. They were in the 30s yesterday morning, and now they're actually not too far away from where Houston is. But it's about to change. A warm front lifted over them yesterday, and today a cold front's going to be moving in. You can see where that warm front is continuing to move off to the north and east. This low is going to be moving this way, so this warm front will continue to spread to more places, getting a temporary relief from the cold, but it's not going to last long because this on the backside of this low is this cold front that it's going to be dragging in. And unfortunately, it's going to set up some very stormy weather that could trigger some severe storms because this cold front's going to run into all this warm, humid air. And we have a chance of severe storms from southern Ohio, even down into East Texas, but not here in the valley. We're just going to see regular showers and thunderstorms. What's going to be a bigger story probably is what a huge difference in temperatures we're going to see from today to tomorrow. I'll show you here as we go hour by hour. At 10 a.m. we're around 80 degrees in the valley. And this afternoon it's going to be upper 80s to perhaps some parts of Starr County getting into the mid 90s. Can't rule that out. That's a possibility. And on general we're averaging around 90 degrees though. And when you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel like the mid-90s. So that 94 is more what it's going to feel like even in the lower valley just because it's going to be so humid today. And it's going to be a windy day. Now, at 9 a.m. tomorrow morning, we're either in the mid-60s, upper 60s, maybe some still in the low 70s. Well, what's important to note is this is 9 a.m. Now let's go into the afternoon tomorrow, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. What do you see? The temperatures are barely any different. You got 69 in Brownsville, 72 in Raymondville, 75 in Rio Grande City. In general, we're going to be around 70 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Our temperatures in the morning are almost going to be exactly the same as they are in the afternoon because we're going to have strong winds out of the north. It's going to be another windy day tomorrow, but tomorrow the winds are going to be out of the north. Well, today they're out of the south. We jump ahead to Thursday morning, and that looks like our coolest morning. We're starting out in the low 60s, but on Thursday, that cold front that's going to be down to our south is going to lift back as a warm front, and that's why we're going to be warmer. We're going to be back in the low 80s on Thursday. That actually is maybe a touch below normal for this time of year. We should be in the mid 80s. That's normal for us, and we will be getting back there, it looks like, by the time we get to Friday. So we got a little bit of up and down. If you like temperatures in the 80s, we got that. Temperatures in the 70s, we've got that. Temperatures in the 90s, we've got that too. Today is the warm day, 90, and we'll call it mostly cloudy. Again, cloudy during the morning hours, some sun in the afternoon, but not as much as yesterday. Still windy today, but notice gusts of 35 instead of 40 miles per hour. A little bit better, especially in the late afternoon. That's when we're really going to notice the difference. And keep in mind that it's going to be humid, and so it feels like temperatures are going to be around 95. And then tonight, just isolated storms during the evening hours. The best chance of rain is very late tonight. After midnight, scattered showers and storms. Some could still miss out. This rain chance doesn't look as good as that last cold front that came in here, but I do think a good number of people will see some showers and storms, just not a lot of heavy rain. Lows around 66. And again, we're only warming up about 4 degrees tomorrow afternoon. Highs only around 70 degrees. And we still have a chance of rain throughout the day. An occasional light rain shower is possible. A day to have the umbrella ready, but a lot of the day you won't need it. Same thing on Thursday, except the chance of rain is even smaller, I think, on Thursday. That's as that warm front lifts over us. And notice we start warming back up. We get into the mid 80s on Friday. Partly cloudy, a dry day, but windy once again. We kind of catch a break from the wind on Thursday, but windy on Friday. We'll call it breezy on Saturday. It does look like another weak cold front is going to be arriving on Saturday, so that temporarily cools us down. But we get back to the upper 80s on Sunday, 91 on Monday, but actually, as it stands right now, we might have another cold front coming in that will trigger a small chance of rain and cool us back to the 80s, it looks like, for next Tuesday.